all in all, if you're looking for portable, comfortable cushions, a bed, or some place to do yoga, this is perfect. It's so nice. It's like not too thick, but it feels like it's got good buffer.
The top of this is much softer, almost like a mattress topper, very smooth and silky. There's like a honeycomb pattern on here as well.
This also comes in different colors, so you can pick any color that goes with your decor. It's 25 by 25 and 3 of them, so it's a total of 75 inches. But this way, nice and portable. You can take this outside like in the summertime and put it in a tent. Use it as yoga mats or just to sit on. It's very comfortable. It's like a mini, oh, it's very comfortable. Little mattress. It's quite thick and strong material. 4 inches thick, but it feels very comfortable, like a thick mattress. These come in 3 inches, 4 inches, and 6 inches thick, and they also come out wider, up to 57 inches wide, so it can actually be like a portable bed, perfect for sleeping. I really like the little details, like the non-slip part underneath, so you can sit comfortably without cushions sliding off the surface. It makes it easy to clean the cushions. Nice memory foam here, and underneath here there's a gel pad. The outer cover is polyester, inner 60% fiberglass and flame retardant acrylic.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching.